Defense lawyer Joseph Neuberger is back with us again tonight. So we saw this different tone,
Yes.
and we saw a very aggressive tone from
Yes.
Donald Bain. Talk to me about the risk rewards of taking that kind of a tone when you're the defense lawyer, the risks, first of all.
Sure. Well, the risks are if you're too aggressive with a witness, the trier of fact, whether it's a judge or a jury, may soon lose interest in your cross-examination, and the witness may gain more sympathy with the trier of fact. The benefit, however, is if you're dealing with a very polished, formidable witness, then drawing them into a fight may take them off of their game and expose certain weaknesses in their evidence and certain slip-ups which then you can take advantage of. And in this case, clearly Mr. Bain wants to make certain points through an aggressive cross-examination, which is what he's doing.
And do you think he rode the fine line between risk and reward today?
He did. I mean, sometimes I feel that being persistently pleasant, in other words, you're persistent on the points you want to make, will get you far more evidence than being aggressive. There clearly was a lot of irritability between the two today, but there were a lot of points made, and a lot of them being political in nature, so I think that was his end game for today, in addition to scoring some major points for his client.
All right. Well, as we know, this is only day one of,
Yes.
the cross-examination, but going in, we obviously would have a goal in mind.
Yes.
What's your sense of what he achieved today?
First of all, I think he achieved and reinforced through the emails and other communications that Mr. Duffy himself had felt that his expenditures were legitimate, that they were not inappropriate or illegal, that in fact he was told that he had followed appropriate rules, and in fact technically he would be correct that they're not inappropriate. I think he's also proved on one point that Mr. Duffy was forced or pressured into a scheme for repayment. And on the third level, he clearly wanted to establish that there are many staff members in the PMO office involved in this general scheme of repayment.
All right. It's going to be fascinating.
It'll be very interesting to see what develops.
All right. Joseph Neuberger, thanks very much.
Thank you.